Hi, I'm Jim Brickell, and this is Getting to Know Your 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. On the door, you do have a keypad. There will be a 5-digit code to let you in whether you have your keys or not, and you can program in your own code. Inside the driver door, this one does have the power adjustable pedals. So as you push the button, the pedals will move in and out to adjust the length of your legs. It is the electronic parking brake, so that's right in there for access. And the hood release just down here. Your lights come in with the automatic headlamps, so the setting is right there with the A. And on your door, you do have your power locks, your power windows, and your power mirrors. Hit the which mirror you want and use the arrows to adjust in the direction you want to be going. It is a power adjustable seat. The base moves the base part of the seat forward, back, up, and down. Change the angle of recline, and it does have a lumbar support, so in and out to make it as comfortable as possible. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we do have the release, and that allows for up and down motion. And when you get it in the position you want, you lock it in. Sorry about that.
It's getting a little too cozy with
All right. So with a full tank of gas, you're looking at 932 liters per kilometers to empty. I'll get it yet. And on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we do have a 5-way here. And as you hit it, it changes your display. So you've got display mode going to the right. And then as we go down, transmission temperature, tire pressure, digital speedometer, engine hours, and distance to empty. So you can set it at the one that's most important to you. When you do have it on the digital speedometer, when you hit the OK in the center, it automatically switches back and forth between kilometers per hour and miles per hour. The buttons down below there are for your cruise control. So you turn cruise on and off, you set the speed, and if you hit the brakes, it'll remember the speed you were going. When you hit RES, that stands for resume, it'll take you back up to your preset speed. Cancel, of course, will cancel the cruise control. Oh yes, back to the 5-way. So within each thing, as you go down, so there was display mode, then there's trip, towing, off-road, and your settings. So with regards to settings, we've got the reverse park aids are currently on. When you're towing a trailer, you'll want to turn those off. Otherwise, as soon as you start backing up, the car will be screaming at you, saying you're about to hit something. Under the advanced settings, you can go up to vehicle, get your lighting, your locks, the oil life reset, remote start, and what comes on. My key, you can set up one key for a beginner driver. You can limit top end speed, you can limit stereo volume. And under display setup, your units. So do you want it miles or kilometers? Do you want the temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius? Do you want the language in English, French, or Spanish? So you can customize the display with what's important to you. As we go back out to the left, we're back to the main menu, hit it up to display, and we're ready to go. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we've got controls for the audio. Your memory sets, seek to the next station, and your volume up and down. And below that, your phone features. So answering a phone, hanging up on a call, muting the audio, and your voice control button. So this is a very important one. When you're in the vehicle, there's about 10,000 commands you can say and it'll understand.
Please say a command.
FM 105.7.
Tuning to FM 105.7.
Your day.
So you can pick a radio station.
Please say a command.
Find an address.
In Ontario, please say the street address, including the city. To search in another state, say change state.
375 Ontario Street, St. Catharines.
When ready, press the voice button and then say set as destination, or say change something. Obey traffic laws, the alert, and use voice commands while driving. Please proceed to the highlighted route and then the route guidance will start.
So it's very easy to give a destination. I picked Ed Learn Ford. We're out in the back parking lot. So it's saying we're 40 meters away and we should be there within the minute. So it's very easy to set a destination. If you choose you're not going there, once again hit the voice button.
Please say a command.
Cancel route.
Are you sure you want to cancel your route?
Yes.
Canceling route.
So whether you say route or route, the vehicle understands. Now you can also do it with
Please say a command.
find a POI.
Where would you like to search? Please say nearby or in a city.
Nearby.
In St. Catharines, please say the name of the POI.
Ed Learn Ford.
Please say a line number.
1.
When ready, press the voice button and then say set as destination.
So in this case, we've set up Ed Learn Ford as one of the favorites on the navigation. You can set up your home and work address in a similar fashion. Sometimes people just put in the street that they live on as opposed to the actual house number. Or sometimes people will put in a common location, such as a restaurant or a gas station. So in the event that your vehicle is stolen and the thief does not have access to your home address. So you might want to try that. Now, the other buttons across here, you've got your audio, phone. You would hit add phone, go to your Bluetooth settings, follow the instructions, and pair your phone. Navigation, once again, you've got the map showing your current area. Favorites have a little star next to them. And if you didn't want to say it by voice, you can also type it in. There are some preset ones, so food, fuel, hotels, and ATMs, where you can search, go previous destinations, so it's quite user-friendly. Apps, you can connect a device, find mobile apps, Sirius Travel Link, and then under settings, your sound settings, your clock, Bluetooth, phone. Under general, we once again can choose the language, the distance, the temperature. And when you're ready to sell your vehicle or trade it, you'll go down to the bottom where it says Master Reset. All system settings will be erased, so that's your personal settings, your navigation, your phone, and that sort of thing. So they'll all be reset back to the factory presets. While that's going on, down below, we've got the climate controls. So your fan speed, where the air is flowing, your heated seats, When there's 3 lights on, that's high heat. Hit it again, that's 2 for medium, 1 for low, and none for no heat. And shifting to 4-wheel drive, we've got our 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. While the vehicle is in park or in wet and slippery conditions, front wheels pointing straight below 88 kilometers an hour, you can shift into 4-wheel drive. The 4 low is for off-road use only. And down below that, we have our integrated trailer brake controller. So if you have the trailer with the electric brakes, you can be hooked in right there. Now, this vehicle still has a CD player. That's where you would exit them and where they load in. So, hope that you're now familiar with your new vehicle. If you have any questions, my name is Jim Brickell. I work at Ed Learn Ford. Enjoy your vehicle.